Hello everybody, this is Maria Guzman and I'm doing this video as my evidence. It's now 7:11. I'm gonna wait 5 more minutes to give my students a little chance to connect. There were 2 persons that signed up for the class, but they didn't show up yet. So I'm just gonna give them 5 more minutes, but I start the recording just in case nobody show up and I have my evidences that I was here in time. And how you can see my screen, I have my material, my presentation ready. So let's wait a little bit and I'll be back, okay? Okay, so it's 7:16. I don't really think my student's gonna show up, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna show you what I have prepared. This is our week 5. We have the topic, the end of life on Earth. I have my slides with my rules that we should follow in the class. We need to be respectful, active participate, follow my instructions, use technology responsible. And I always tell them that if I speak too fast or if I say something they don't understand, I will repeat it with all the love of the world without no hesitation. Right? We have our learning objective, that is we're gonna improve our reading comprehension skills related with topic, with engaging activities, and then I have these opening questions, right? Like, could a meteorite collision really mean the end of life on Earth? Read this to find out what happens when the small meteorites collide with Earth and just how much damage a big one could do. Right? The idea here is have a little discussion. What do you think? Are you agree? Are you not agree? What is your theory? Stuff like that, right? Like a little conversation. Then we have this activity that we have to put these disasters in these 3 groups. We have natural disasters, man-made disasters, and disasters for space. After we do that activity, we're going to read the text, that is this one. We always take turns, so they read one, and depends how many students are there. Like, they read one paragraph, I can read the other one, or they take turns, right? We have our text here. And after the text, after we read aloud the text, as a group, I always send them the document so they can read it by themselves, so they can really think about how they're going to solve these questions. And I always emphasize that it's not how fast we do it, is as good we do it. So then after they have maybe 10-15 minutes to do the activity, we come back. I'm always checking on them, being like, hey guys, how you doing? Do you have any question? Do you need some assistance? And well, depends on how the process is going. And then we share the answers. I call one by one, like, hey, which one is number 1? Which one is number 2? And I was like, just come here and get my highlighter and just choose the question, right? The right answer. Depends on what they say. I give them the feedback immediately, and we socialize how was the process, it was hard, it was good. Then we have this activity that we have to complete, fill in the blanks. So with these are our options. And after we do that, if we're still having some times, we're going to have a little discussion just to make a closure. Do Astros scares you? Why or why not? Have you ever experienced any type of natural disaster? And just talk a little bit to finish the class. Then we have like this vocabulary box that we can discuss too if we're still having time. The idea is students share the vocabulary they got new in this activity, and if they don't, well, that would be everything for today. Then we have our attendance link. I have another link extra that the teachers shared with me. I forgot to put it here. I will put it immediately. And thank you so much. That will be all. That's supposed to be my class today. I'm going to have another session at 8:30. So hopefully my students connect in that class and you can see how the material and the class will develop. Thank you so much. And that's it. I'm really sorry my students didn't connect. I did send invitations. There were 2 students signing up for this class, but they didn't show up. That's it. Thank you so much.